Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the 5 essential elements of the law of attraction, how to make it work for you, and how to use it to your full advantage. Alright, stay tuned and let's take a look. Hey guys, so the first essential step to mastering the law of attraction is mastering your mind. That's right, mastering your noggin and taking control and rewiring your thoughts. I know it's hard. 90% of the information that we get as humans is toxic and is bad. So as we go throughout our day, we're hit through with bad news, we're hit with negative situations, we're hit with microaggressions and horrible things that happen to us, and we are left in the dark thinking bad thoughts from 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. and even sometimes into the night before we go to bed. So guess what we need to do? We need to master our minds, take control of what we think, and reprogram how we encounter the day. Alright? We need to reprogram our minds and relook at how we master our day and approach everyday situations. Is the second essential element that you need to know is you need to have intentions. Every day we're just taught, get what you want, get your dreams, get this, get that. Guys, let's change the way we approach our desires in life and change the way we talk about them and make them our intentions instead of making them our desires. You might be saying, Ashton, what's wrong with saying I want X or I want Z? The problem is when you say I want, you're telling the universe what you want, and therefore you're telling the universe what you don't have, and in turn the universe is making sure that you don't have what you want. Did that make sense? Circular reasoning there. But guys, essentially make sure you're setting intentions. That's another essential step to mastering the law of attraction and manifesting in your life. If you need to be able to say an intention, and intentions also can be formed as affirmations, but that's a little tricky. We won't get into that right now, but essentially you want to be able to say, today is going to be a great day. That is setting the intention that today's going to be a great day instead of saying, hey, I want to have a great day. You want to have a lot of things, but guess what? You don't have your wants, do you? So let's start setting up intentions, all right? Intentions, intentions, intentions. Don't create a life of desire and wants that never get fulfilled. Create a life of intentions, because when you're intentional, you get action, and when there's action, you have achievement. That's a quote. For our third essential trick to manifesting whatever you want, let's go to the lab. Hey guys, welcome to the lab. So right now we're going to talk about the third essential step to understanding and mastering the law of attraction, vibes and frequencies. So vibes and frequencies is a part of quantum physics. Yes, this is scientific and very extreme. And this is all about saying that what we focus on affects what comes into our lives through quantum fields, and it physicalizes into our life. Does that make sense? So your mind is power. All right, that brings us to our first rule, which was control your mind. That's simple. So vibrational alignment is what we need to get what we want in life. So we need to get our mind right in order to focus on the right things to in turn get what we want. Because guess what? The mind is energy. It's always in motion. Okay? Yay. Another essential element to mastering the law of attraction and manifestation is you need to believe. And I'm talking about true belief, y'all. I'm not talking about, oh, I want this, I want that, or I deserve this, or I deserve that. No, I'm talking about true belief. And the best way to get your true beliefs and rewire your subconscious is with affirmations. So if you believe that you deserve, and again, this is setting intention, so it all lines up. If you believe that you deserve honor, respect, and love, guess what? You're going to get honor, respect, and love because you honestly believe you deserve those. So when you go for that promotion that you need a lot of respect from your colleagues, guess what? You're going to get it because you believe that you deserve respect, so therefore you got respect and you got the job. Does that make sense? I hope so. Same thing with love. If you think you're deserving of love, guess what? You're going to get love. It's really that simple. Just go believe in yourself. Alright guys, so our fifth essential tip is let go. Yeah, I'm talking about let it go. Caca. So what I mean when I say let go, I'm talking about, or the best tip that I ever got when thinking about letting go is not necessarily not thinking about what you want, but essentially the essential step is not ruminating on what you want as much as you have been ruminating on what you want. That probably makes no sense, and it'll make a lot more sense as we go throughout our videos and our time together. But guys, think about it. What you obsess over never comes true. But the moment you go out to dinner and help a friend with a problem, or you go hang out with a friend or go help somebody, your mind stops being obsessive and compulsive over what you really want or what you're intending in your life, and it kind of just happens. The universe needs, it's kind of like if you're giving someone a gift, you let go of the gift. You purchased it, you wrapped it up pretty, you spend time with it, but when it's time to give it and impact someone else's life so they can be happy, what do you have to do? You have to hand it over. So letting go is like handing it over to God, handing it over to the universe so it can work for you. All right, it's super easy. And I'm not asking you to forget about what you want or stop thinking about what you want. I'm just asking you to not obsess. Alright guys, so here are our 3 bonuses that I'm going to leave you with. I have so many bonuses to give you, but only 3 for this video because you can't give away all your best tricks on the first date. So the 3 bonuses I'm going to give you is 1, be open. I know we want things to be so specific and we want what we want, but guess what, y'all? There's better out there than what we want. If you say, oh, I want to stay at the Hyatt Grand Prix, well, guess what? There's a better hotel than Hyatt Grand Prix, right? Right. So why get stuck on that one thing when you can be open to so much better? My second tip for you is prepare yourself in the morning and at night. All right. Your mind is most pliable to receive change in your subconscious. So subliminals, frequency music, do it. Change your mind. All right, guys. And my last bonus is speak life, y'all. My people, hope you enjoyed that video and you got something out of it. This is just the beginning to all we're going to learn on this channel, all right? So don't forget to subscribe right there, and check out our other videos.